our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day. Woo! Yeah. You want to try these? I know you do. Okay. We're going to try them for you.
In history. And, yeah.
Hi. What? What is this crazy? Look at this, you guys. Oh. Alright, you broke it. That's what you get for playing around with your food. Alright, ready? Yeah. Alright, you guys. Well, this right here is our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day. Woo! Yeah. These are some kind of Korean brand chocolate and biscuits with cookie crunches on them. Yeah. They look delicious. Mmm. They smell really good too. We're gonna try them for you. They look like almost like Oreo kind of things, but it's Korean style. Quit being silly.
Okay.
But this is what they are. See? It's a white chocolate with cookie crunches on it. Like they look like Oreos. They come in a 4-pack.
Yes.
After you open them up, they come in a 4-pack like this. And there's a bunch inside. See the little sticks in there? There's a bunch of these little things in there. 8 of them, maybe?
Yes.
Something like that. But anyway, that's what they are. So, let's give these a try for our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day video. And, gotta give them a star rating, too. Yeah. Okay, scooch over. Share the room. Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Cheers! Mmm. Mmm. You guys. Wow. I like this one a lot. This one's really good.
Yeah.
I like hold on, what's that? Like don't eat, wait, no, just kidding. A little breadstick, look, see? That's what's on there. It's like a little miniature breadstick on there. Dipped in a white chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
A little more than halfway. With a bunch of little like Oreo bits sprinkled on it, or maybe it was rolled around in it or something. But it's really good. It has a nice soft crunch to it. If that makes any sense. It's not like a hard break your teeth kind of crunch. It's a nice soft little crunch. It really kind of tastes like an Oreo. Do you think it tastes like an Oreo?
Well, more like chocolatey. Like, I mean, like, you know, like the white chocolate is not like the stuffing.
Oh yeah, it is not. So, yeah, okay. Well, that was the first thing when I saw them in the store. I thought about Oreos. That was the first thing that I thought of. And that's probably why it's still stuck in my mind like that.
Yeah.
But yeah, you're right. And it's not super sweet. It's like, I think it's well balanced type. Like you get a little sweet, and then you get a little kick of the bread. The bread. The bread. The breadstick. Okay. What's your rating on these?
Yum.
I agree. Yum. That's our star rating. That's not a star. You made a mess.
I know. Messy out of 5. 4.5.
You give it a 4.5?
Yeah.
Excuse you?
Yes.
You see him dripping over here? No, I give these a...
Goodbye.
Strengthen. My star rating on these are 5. I like them. They're perfectly balanced with the sweetness, and then just like a nice calm flavor in the back with the breadstick. I like them a lot. So that's my star rating of 5. Alright, well, it's a couple short little things going on. You guys, by the way, also, yeah, there's more in there. Don't forget
to
hit that
you
subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Come on, you guys. See, these are really good. Once again, it's like a white chocolate with chocolate chunks, like kind of like Oreos, kind of like Oreo little cookies in there. I know that's what it looks like, but it's really, it does. I take that back. It does not taste like an Oreo cookie. Since I first thought that they were Oreo cookies, that's what came to my mind. I think that's why that flavor kind of stuck in there.
Awesome.
And then, like a breadstick, it was dipped in and rolled around in some little cookies.
Yeah.
But that's what they are. They're very delicious. 4.5 and a 5 star. Recommend these. Really? Well, anyway, that's these. Okay. Anyway, you guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day. Woo! Alright. Recommended. You see them? Give them a try, you guys. Alright? Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And once again, hit that subscribe button. It's down there. Turn on that notification bell. Yay! Share this video out, you guys. Come on. Okay. Alright. Bye.